So it was the strongest month with the highest volatility, because volatility becomes your friend in an options portfolio.
With that being said, what do you think about on the risk side of things? Like, since you've been doing this, we would say you've been at it about 6 months. And how do you feel doing it? Do you have any concerns about risk? Are you afraid that there could be a downturn? And how are you actively managing against that?
There is more defined risk than undefined risk in this strategy. So far, cash secured puts feels less risky and is mathematically less risky than my compounding portfolio, where I just buy Amazon and hold it. So because the risk is defined and because the duration, so I have 45 days to be right once. I don't have to be right all the 45 days. One of these days needs to be above 50% right, and I take it out. So it's defined risk. I have more time to be right versus, days that I'm wrong. I can be wrong 5 of those days, but then the 6th one I'm right, and I take it out. So the risk is much lower, and you can do it part-time in addition to a job and in addition to a compounding portfolio. Because most of my day, I'm a father and a CEO who runs a business. And then, on the side, a little bit of compounding and a little bit of income portfolio feels less risky to me.
So with that being said, how did you do performance-wise? Did you still make money when everyone else was losing money during that big drop?
It was fascinating because the VIX spiked to up to 60, which happens rarely in history, right? And so my compounding portfolio was just down for that month, like the S&P. The whole market was down. My compounding portfolio was down. This one that I call the income portfolio was down too, but because the VIX was at 60, the premiums on selling cash secure puts went up by a lot. And so I sold even more in that month. I sold even more cash secured puts. And that made May a $14,000 profit month. So it was the strongest month with the highest volatility, because volatility becomes your friend in an options portfolio.